Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to remove or disable parental controls in Epic Games. Whether you forgot your PIN or just want full access to Fortnite or other Epic Game features, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process. So for that, you can head over and open a browser and go to epicgames.com/account. So type in epicgames.com/account and hit enter. Once you do, you may log in using your Epic Games account here. If you are not logged in, I already logged in, and there you go. You can see my profile name here, which means I already have been logged in. So once you are logged in, from your left hand side option of your screen, you need to go over, scroll down, and find the section called Parental Controls. So find it up and click on it. And there you will be seeing the parental controls currently enabled, like chat restrictions, purchase limit, etc. So here you need to enter the parental controls PIN that you used in order to set up when you first enabled parental controls. So just go ahead and enter it up and continue the process. After you enter it up, there we will be finding this page, and once entered, you can look out for the option to turn it off. So you can just go ahead and disable this option, and that will turn off the parental controls, and your child will be able to complete the payments without the PIN. And that is it. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can look out for forgot PIN option or changing your PIN option, and open the email and follow the instructions to reset your PIN. Once reset, return to the parental controls page and turn them off. And that way you can turn your parental controls off, and after disabling, it should automatically save the changes for yourself. And that's it. So now you have successfully removed parental controls from Epic Games. You can access full to Fortnite, Rocket League, or any kind of Epic Games without restrictions. So thank you for watching this video, and